Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to send snaps without media upload on Snapchat. If you are using Snapchat and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to upload any photo from your gallery to Snapchat or send it to any person, you see that on your photo there's certain media uploaded. So let's see how can you bypass or how can you skip this. So very first you have to simply open your app store or Play Store here, just go for search and simply search for Snapchat. And you just have to make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. If you find any update option here, just try to update your app because the feature I'm going to tell you about is on the latest version. So after updating your Snapchat app, you just have to simply go ahead to your Snapchat app, and here in your Snapchat, you have to try to take a photo but where you first make it a snap. So now to do this, just tap on this arrow button here, then select director mode from here. Just select director mode. After that, you'll find a lot of your options or the new features. Just tap on this plus image or the import media option. Just select this option from here. Then select your photo you want to send. So let's say I'm gonna select this one here. Just select the photo. Then tap on next. Here tap on preview. Then tap on send to. So now you can directly send it to your story or send it to any person. So after doing this, you will not get the media uploaded option on your photo. So in this way, you can easily send snaps without media upload on